Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, gather the necessary tools for this battery replacement. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a pair of gloves, and a soft cloth for cleaning. Make sure your Rowenta RR7635WH vacuum cleaner is powered off and unplugged before starting the process. First, locate the battery compartment on the vacuum cleaner. This is typically found at the base or back of the device. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws securing the battery cover. Be careful to keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the battery cover off. Take this opportunity to clean the inside of the compartment with your soft cloth to remove any dust or debris that may have accumulated over time. This will help ensure better performance after the battery replacement. Now, carefully disconnect the old battery by unplugging the connector. If you encounter any resistance, do not force it. Instead, double-check if there are any additional screws or clips holding it in place. Before installing the new battery, it's advisable to check its compatibility with the Rowenta RR7635WH model. If you're unsure, feel free to contact us for a professional diagnosis without obligation. Once you have the correct battery, connect it by plugging the connector back into the slot. Ensure that it fits snugly and securely to avoid any issues during operation. Next, place the battery cover back on, aligning it properly with the screw holes. Use the Phillips screwdriver to reinsert the screws, tightening them securely but not over-torquing, as this could damage the plastic. After securing the cover, take a moment to clean the exterior of your vacuum cleaner. A clean device not only looks better, but it also helps maintain its performance. For this, just use a damp cloth to wipe down the surfaces. If you don't have the tools or feel uncomfortable performing this replacement, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home. This is a hassle-free service, ensuring you don't have to make any calls or travel. We can provide a quote before any repair work begins, giving you peace of mind. Finally, plug in your vacuum cleaner and turn it on to test the new battery. Ensure that it runs smoothly and efficiently. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. Our team is here to help with any concerns you may have regarding your Rowenta RR7635WH vacuum cleaner. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.